Hey, what's up geeks? Ian here for pneumatic.com, and this is the unboxing and quick review of the Infinix Xband 3.
Before anything else, please subscribe to this channel for more reviews, unboxing, gaming videos of your favorite gadgets.
The Infinix Xband 3 is a fitness tracker that offers plenty of options in an insanely cheaper price standpoint. The Infinix Xband 3 comes with a lot of great features. To name a few, it includes an Ip67 Waterproofing, a larger screen, a curvy design which is also similar to the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. You can also monitor your heart rate, blood pressure rate, sports activities like running. It has steps counter. It also comes with a sleep counter and an alarm clock. Okay, so this is the part where we unbox the Infinix Xband 3, so here goes. Inside the box, we have the main unit together with a TPU band. We also have the manual and the documentations. Plus, of course, we have the charger. It's also worth noting that the charger is quite different from other wearable chargers. It comes with a clipper design wherein you have to clip the main device inside. When it comes to the design, I could say that it does not look cheap at all. It has a TPU band in an oval-shaped main unit. It's bigger than the Mi Band 3 to accommodate the bigger screen. And speaking of the screen, the Infinix Xband 3 features a color display which is very clear indoors. However, screen legibility under direct sunlight is quite a challenge, or more of a bummer I should say. The Xband 3 is light and comfortable to wear even when sweating. It may not be the best looking device, but it's not ugly either. Its screen is larger than most of the fitness trackers we've seen, and the color display is also a cherry on top. Plus, its battery performance comes close to a 20-day tally as what it has on paper. I could say that this is a very dependable wearable device. The Xband 3 comes with a partner app called Infinix Life, wherein you can pair the device and do things like changing the watch faces. As of now, it only comes with 3 watch faces. I hope Infinix will add more options in the future. So does the Infinix Xband 3 offer great value? Absolutely yes. I've been using it for weeks now, and it certainly does the job I expect for a fitness tracker. It also comes with a long battery life and an affordable asking price of 999 pesos. I mean, that's a very good deal, right? So I guess that's all for me for this video, guys. I really appreciate your support. We just hit 1.1k followers in YouTube. That's amazing, guys. So until next time, and as always, see you on the next one.